How bad? How
Oh,
damn bad for fuel are you?
jump right.
We got. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. Yeah.
I'm gonna get a wider approach actually. Hold on, I'm peel off.
Yeah.
Peel
Yeah.
off.
Yeah.
Right in front, right in
This
front.
looks good. Yep.
Luis. Good hits, Charlie, good hits,
Nice.
good hits. Oh, he's disabled. Alright, reload him. I'm gonna turn this around. Nice,
Hell
Charlie,
yeah.
yeah, hell yeah. Oh, it's their final. Holy shit! Oh, fuck, man.